Take command of the road in the 2011 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle invigorates its segment with sporty proportions, generous equipment, and exceptional safety. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, leather upholstery, power front seats, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, a trailer hitch, and seat memory. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.